has a good appetite and energy during the chemo, but the diarrhea problems persist, sometimes even with blood, which was not expected, and the vet recommend a worm test. 喺化療期間咧，佢一直食嘢啦，同埋精神咧都係好好嘅，但係咧肚屙嘅問題咧就一直都搣唔甩，甚至咧仲有血添。呢啲咧就唔喺預期之內嘅啦。獸醫咧就建議咧就要驗下重。He suddenly lost appetite and lethargy all day just one day before the 5th chemo. 啱啱係做第5次化療之前一日咧，佢突然間咧就唔想食嘢喎，又成日咧都覺得好眼瞓。Today is supposed to have the 5th chemo, but as a result, he was diagnosed with Giardia lamblia. 今日咧本來就係做第5次化療噶啦，結果咧真係染咗呢一隻嘅鯉形邊毛蟲。Giardia lamblia cannot see it with naked eyes. It is a microscopic parasite that is only visible under a microscope. 鯉形邊毛蟲咧係肉眼睇唔到嘅，佢係一種咧好微小嘅寄生蟲，淨係可以喺顯微鏡之下睇到嘅啫。Two medicines are required to get rid of this worm. 呢種寄生蟲咧係要食2種藥咧先至可以清除嘅。One is a powder for 5 days and repeat after 14 days. 有一隻咧係粉劑嚟嘅，就食5日，14日之後咧再 repeat 多次。Another one is a 7 days antibiotics. 另一隻咧係抗生素嚟嘅，就食7日。And the chemo will be postponed to the week after. 咁化療咧亦都要再褪後1個禮拜啦。I'm sure the worm caused him abdominal discomfort. 我相信咧係因為嗰啲蟲咧搞到佢個肚唔舒服啊。Like a magic, after taking the first dose of deworming medicine, he stopped having diarrhea and bleeding. 好似變魔術咁樣啊！食咗第1劑咧杜蟲藥之後咧，佢就唔屙啦喎，亦都冇血。Home infection control is necessary to prevent the spread of those germs. 家庭嘅感染控制咧，對於防止呢種細菌嘅傳播咧係好緊要㗎。The entire house needs to be disinfected. 成間屋咧都要進行消毒啊。Worm count test cost Hong Kong dollars 1,080. 咁淨係驗蟲嘅化驗費咧係1080。Wish me luck. My next episode will continue my story of fighting hard with lymphoma in my dog. 祝我好運啊！我下一集咧繼續會講解咧我同愛犬嘅淋巴癌奮鬥故事啦〜